Students, today we are going to start 5th chapter of partnership, that is retirement or death of a partner. What is the meaning of retirement? Retirement of a partner means ceasing to be a partner of the firm. On the retirement or death of a partner, the existing partnership deed comes to an end and a new partnership deed needs to be framed with the remaining partners. It is called reconstitution of firm. Is there any difference in the accounting treatment at the time of retirement or death? No, there is no difference. In both the cases, we have to determine the sum due to retiring partner or the sum due to legal representative of deceased partner after making necessary adjustments. And in both the cases, the second, we have to calculate the gaining and new profit sharing ratio among the remaining partners. Then what are the adjustments on retirement or death? First adjustment is that we have to calculate new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. And second is the treatment of goodwill. Third, revaluation of assets and liabilities. Fourth, unrecorded assets and liabilities. Fifth, distribution of accumulated profits and losses. Sixth, share of profit up to date of retirement or death. Seventh is adjustment of capital. And the last is settlement of amounts due to retired or deceased partners. So we will start from first adjustment, that is new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. What is new profit sharing ratio? The ratio in which the remaining or continuing partners will share future profits and losses is called a new profit sharing ratio. New share is equal to old share plus acquired, or we can say gained share. Then what is gaining ratio? The ratio in which the continuing partners have acquired the share from the retiring or deceased partner is called gaining ratio. And gaining share is equal to new share minus old share. In the first question, Madhu, Neha and Tina are partners, sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio if Madhu retires, second case if Neha retires, and third case if Tina retires. So there are three partners, Madhu, Neha and Tina. Their old ratio is given 5:3:2. So first case, if Madhu retires, then what will be their new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio? If M retires, then their new profit sharing ratio will be 3:2. 3:2, and the gaining ratio will also be same, 3:2. Now come to the second case, and in second case, if Neha retires, then their new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio will be, if N retires, then their new profit sharing ratio will be 5:2, and gaining ratio will also remain same, 5:2. Now come to the third case. If T retires. So third case, if Tina retires, then their new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio will be 5:3. 5:3, and the gaining ratio will also remain same. So this is the first numerical. Now come to the second one, and in second numerical, Murli, Naveen and Om Prakash are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3/8, 1/2 and 1/8. Murli retires and surrenders 2/3 of his share in favor of Naveen, and remaining share in favor of remaining share. It means if 2/3 share he surrenders in favor of Naveen, then 1/3 share will surrenders in favor of Om Prakash. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio of the remaining partners. So M, N and P, M, N and O are partners. M, N and O are partners. Old ratio is given 3/8, 1/2 and 1/8. 1/2 and 1/8. It can be written as 3/8, 4/8 and 1/8. So their ratio is 3:4:1. Now Murli retires and surrenders 2/3 of his share in favor of Naveen. Here M retires and he surrenders 2/3 of his share. His share is 3/8 in favor of N. So N's gain can be calculated here. That is 2/3 of Murli's share will be his gain, and the remaining share he surrenders in favor of Om Prakash. So Om Prakash's gain can be calculated as 1/3 of Murli's share. Murli's share is 3/8. So it can be written as it is 2:1. Gaining ratio is 2:1. So now we can calculate new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio of remaining partners after the retirement of Murli. The remaining partners are O and N. So here remaining partners are N and O. N's new share is equal to old share plus his gain. His old share is 4/8, 4/8, and his gain is N's gain is 2/8. So it is 6/8. And in case of Om Prakash new share is equal to his old share plus gain. His old share is 1/8 and his gain is we have calculated 1 by 8. So here his old share 1 by 8 plus his gain 1 by 8 is equal to 2 by 8, and it can be written new profit sharing ratio is equal to 6:2. It can be written as 3:1. So this is their new profit sharing ratio.